How does the day of our team begin? We work out at the gym, have breakfast with family, hurry up to work, or simply dreaming whilst tasting a fragrant coffee. And every minute we think of you, so that your morning mood is great. Coziness, warmth, and comfort in the bathroom. This is what we strive for, creating high quality and stylish towel dryers. Being one of the largest enterprises in heated towel rails and design radiator production, LARIS is the leading Ukrainian company in this area. Modern, powerful production facilities coupled with innovative equipment and highly professional staff have created a confidence in the company name to wholesale and retail buyers, construction companies and design studios. Premium stainless steel of the AISI 304 grade, sourced from the best world metal rolling makers, is used in the manufacturing process. The availability of having stock of 1,000 tons of stainless steel ensures continuous production and reliability of deliveries. Has been providing its customers with stainless steel pipes, sheets and strips, circles, angles and taps, as well as aluminium sheets for over 20 years. Our products are in great demand in all regions of Ukraine. In addition, we export our products to Belarus, Moldova, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Armenia, Estonia and other post-Soviet Union countries, as well as to Poland, Great Britain and Canada. A comprehensive model range of towel dryers includes more than 400 standard sizes, various forms, designs and connection types. Manufacturing technology and quality have been tested for 27 years of impeccable work in the towel dryer market. Our factory is able to reorganize its sources for a customized product generation within a short time. A great advantage of water towel rails and design radiators is that they are made of stainless steel pipe with a 2mm thickness, which is suited the best for use in the most severe conditions of water supply. The most recent lineup also featured the electric Zebra series painted with a high-quality powder paint. At the end of production, all towel dryers are checked 100% thoroughly with careful testing including pressure, temperature, and tightness tests. All LARIS products are marked with a brand name to deter counterfeiting. Recently, the company has made a significant leap in increasing the variety and volume of products. We always keep a full range of products in quantities to cover our clients' needs. Stainless steel construction is another area of LARIS activities. Handrails and railings of various configurations. Handrails for people with disabilities. Sauna and pool installations. Bathroom ladders and shelves. Bicycle parking lots, benches, fences, and other landscaping products. The success of the company is made possible by a team of professionals. Our production facility has created the most comfortable working conditions. Our staff can relax at the tennis court, gym, or at the table tennis room that's built on site. Our company holds its own vehicle fleet, which includes new cars of various carrying capacities. LARIS Autopool is serviced at its own service station, with a full scope of advanced diagnostics and repair equipment suitable for heavy and light cars. Years of experience in the market, reputation, steady production growth, and long-term mutual beneficial partnerships. This is the foundation on which LARIS stands and develops. LARIS is a time-tested quality